Dito, pwede kang gumawa lang ng income tax mo agad-agad.
Kaya kami nandito ngayon again, ah pinapahatid na namin sa inyo na meron ng software na kaya na po mag-compute diretso from the software tapos makakapag-print na kayo ng form. Mas mabilis. Isang software na lang tapos ipiprint na yung form sa inyo. All you have to do is just click tick.
Dito, pwede kang gumawa lang ng income tax mo agad-agad. So let's say quarter one, you are a business income earner, you are a sole proprietor, you will make use of 8% income tax rate. You just click the get data and wait for the system to process your data. Yan po, automatically, kukumputin na ng system kung magkano yung tax issue mo. So yan yung use ng system for individuals. Not only for individuals, it can also compute for corporation. So whether you are using OSD or itemized, nakaka-compute din siya. So that is all for um, our offerings for Automate na soon it will be launched to the market. And hopefully you will be part of Automate as the first time users or try to navigate the Automate and might be a solution to your problem, especially for accountants.